I've been so excited. I've been waiting all day to come here and try these ribs that everyone's been telling me about. Come on, let's go check them out. This right here is our hot link. We smoke it in our smoker right here. I can open up the smoker and show you some of the ribs and rib tips that we have going in there. But then after we smoke the meat, when you order it, we char grill it on our live fire grill. Get that skin nice and crunchy for you. And it's still very juicy on the inside. So as you peek in here, you can see ribs and rib tips that are about to come out. They're just in there getting right now. So that's how we do it. We smoke it, make it tender and juicy, and we always char it up for you, make it nice, get a nice crunchy, barky texture on the outside. If you're from Chicago, how could you not love this place? I mean, it's called Bear Down. Check it out, all the bear stuff. Blues music playing in the background, barbecue. If you're from Chicago, this is what you love. Okay. Very good. Let's try this mac and cheese out. This is what I've been waiting for right here. Look at that. Fall right off the bone. And this is what they've been talking about right here. Crispy. A little blackened. Very good. See how thick it is? So tender. Falls apart. Last but not least, the beef brisket. Good texture, flavorful. It's good. Good brisket. Now for the rib tips. Good. These fries are good. I have an old hickory pit, so it's not wood chunks, chips, pellets, or charcoal. I have a woodman who delivers a pile of cherry wood logs and oak wood logs, and we feed our smoker 50% of both. I do every single thing from scratch, so I make my own pork marinade, poultry marinade, my own pork rub, my own poultry rub, my own beef rub. I only buy premium meat, so if you notice when you come here, the ribs look like the ribs that's on your Weber grill in your backyard, not those thin, skinny restaurant ribs. We try to keep everything as honest to how it was when I was making my name in my backyard as we do here in the restaurant today. So I don't want to cut corners. I still wake up at 3 in the morning. I still smoke the meat same day. I rib smoke for 5 hours at 250 degrees. A lot of Chicago barbecue is charcoal barbecue and it's grilled directly over the fire for 2.5 hours. You'll notice that because we smoke our ribs for 5 hours with offset smoking, you won't find really a piece of fat in our ribs. You'll just have a plate full of bones. So people, they I feed people from the South and they say, you can pick up this restaurant and sit it in the heart of Alabama and it'll survive. So
the mac and cheese though has a little kick to it. It's good. I'm done. I throw in the towel. I was gonna go to work after this, but I think I'll go home and take a nap first.